Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking a refrigerated canned biscuits in the air fryer. So for this recipe, we need the canned biscuits and a cooking spray. So let's take out the air fryer basket and spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray so the biscuits don't stick. And now I will open the can of biscuits. And now let's take out the air fryer baskets. And we can only cook as many biscuits at a time as fit in a single layer. So let's put the biscuits in the air fryer basket. So in my air fryer, I can just fit 4 at a time. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 350 degrees. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the biscuits. Wow, look at these delicious biscuits. They're so big, so nicely browned, perfectly cooked in the air fryer. So easy. Air fryer is perfect for cooking biscuits quickly. Now let's try a biscuit. Wow, so perfect and flaky inside. Tastes amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.